Hi, this is Alix, Paultre for Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here with Merhad from ON Semiconductor, and well, actually, he's got some very interesting technology here I'd like to have him tell us about. Welcome, I'm glad to be here at the show with you.
Hey, thanks for coming by. I'm going to show you what's capable these days with Silicon Carbide technology, right? So what we have here is a traditional 1700 volt auxiliary power supply design, right? These are typically run with BJTs in that voltage class, right? So what you have is a wide range flyback design where you can take about 300 volts input to 1000 volts and you get 24 volts out at 100 watts, right? So this is what you usually had to use as an auxiliary power supply.
Big piece of kit.
Big piece of kit, right? So this is the Silicon Carbide alternative, right? We have here 3 dedicated ON Semi parts on there, right? We have the ON Semi Silicon Carbide MOSFET, 80 milliohm. We have the ON Semi Silicon Carbide driver IC on it, and we have the ON Semi quasi-resonant flyback controller that's unique on the market because it can operate up to 1 megahertz.
Really?
Which you really need for what we call the high frequency design, right? So what's special about it is why we can shrink the form factor is we can go to higher frequencies beyond what we used to have with normal MOSFET operation at these power levels. We can go to 500 kilohertz, which means we design new magnetics. We can shrink the total volume of the design, right? We can reduce heat output of the MOSFET and still at this form factor have equivalent efficiencies to the old traditional designs.
Nice, and you also, it looks like you shrunk the BOM as well a good bit.
Sorry?
The bill of materials has shrunk a good bit as well.
Yeah. It's you know you use you can go for smaller caps, you can go for smaller transformers, right? So you really shorten the bill of materials, and you become cost effective, right?
Very nice.
So there's going to be a paper on this soon, and you will see the details there.
Is there a website you can direct our audience to?
Yeah, so the ON Semi website, so www.onsemi.com, and we typically have our reference designs we'll publish on there.
Excellent, excellent. I'm really glad you took the time at this very busy show to be with us.
Thank you. Thanks for taking the time. It was a pleasure.
My pleasure.
All right.
And I want to thank our audience for taking the time to be with us too. Don't forget to check in at the websites.